The Abu Sayyaf group released 10 of its Indonesian hostages due to the intense pressure from the operations of the armed forces as well as the Moro National Liberation Front.
Tingin ko, ito'y dahil sa pressure from the military operations jointly with the MNLF. May pressure din from the MNLF. Gawin na natin multiplying force ang MNLF sa ating operations. Anyway, hindi naman natin kalaban.
MNLF spokesperson Attorney Emmanuel Fontanilla says they were able to rescue 2 Swiss nationals and 1 Dutch last night. He adds the MNLF has taken over some of the bases of the Abu Sayyaf and was able to capture 6 bandits. The MNLF says the group is also exerting all efforts to rescue Jordanian journalist Baker Atyani.
Nasawi sa bakbakan ng 4 na miyembro ng MNLF o Moro National Liberation Front na tumutulong sa pagtugis sa mga Abu Sayyaf. Live mula sa Hulo Sulu, may report si June Veneracion. June.
Muling na-monitor kaninang umaga ang Abu Sayyaf Group sa bayan ng Patikul, kaya ginamit muli ng militar ang kanilang kanyon. Sa pagkakataong ito, mas malakas at mas mapaminsala kumpara sa kadalasang ginagamit na kanyon. Pero ang nagkabakbakan ngayong araw ay ang Abu Sayyaf at mga fighters ng Moro National Liberation Front na tumutulong sa gobyerno para ma-rescue ang mga natitirang bihag ng Abu Sayyaf.
How many encounters you have been through during the almost a year in captivity?
I think there was 13 encounters with from the ground forces and numerous from helicopters. I don't even know how many. Many.
You have told us that it saved 1 bullet from the helicopter?
One went into my backpack.
Oh.
And I was able to retrieve that bullet and I keep it as a souvenir. I like to extend thank you to the chairman and all his people, the President Duterte and everybody else that worked hard to make my release possible and for saving my life. I'm very grateful for being alive.
And now I came here, foremost in my mind is, how can we help our president finish his job? When he said, Brother No, why don't you move against Abu Sayyaf? So I started moving. First, I sent 1,700 of my forces.